Hey, what's up guys? Tyler here with Secureteam. The image and images you'll be looking at right here of this craft come to us from Columbus, Ohio, the big Buckeye state and city with which this devastating UFO sighting came. The info behind the sighting, described to us by the man who captured the images, a Mr. McMillan, who is a former high school football coach of some 22 years at one of the area schools within Franklin County, was leaving a local hardware store when he states that this UFO came shooting straight down from the sky at a rate of speed simply impossible to create by a drone or conventional craft. In his words, this UFO looked as if it was coming down from space and that it was so far up that you could not see it at all. And he felt looked like an amazingly fast entrance into our atmosphere by something that was much higher up in the sky than any plane has gone before. Now look at this thing. This isn't a drone. This thing is a machine with machine-like architecture and characteristics. According to the source, the craft came down out of nowhere and stopped on a dime, depicting obvious anti-gravity characteristics. So basically, whatever this UFO was, it didn't abide by our laws of physics, and had there been a human inside, he likely would have been turned into pudding at such a high rate of speed with such an immediate stop. The source was quickly able to snap a few of these images before the craft slowly made its way over the trees at a slow, steady pace and out of sight. The source did attempt to follow the craft but was unable to find a proper route that would take him in the exact direction that the craft was going. In our opinion, this thing is scary real and it's not one of ours.
Okay, is it a case of deja UFO? That's what some Gray residents are wondering after what appears to be a crop circle popped up in the same field for the second time in just over 2 years. Residents on Old Gray Station Road noticed this strange appearance in the hayfield last week, the same spot where a similar thing happened in 2013. Overhead shots from the formation show flattened grass marks, the shape of 3 large circles intertwined around a small dot in the center. Neighbors say there were no noticeable tracks near the formation. Nothing clearly pointing to a reason. They say there have been plenty of interested and interesting onlookers coming by to check it out.
All kinds of people have been coming and flying their drones overhead and sort of taking measurements and, like, you know, channeling the chakra and communing with the higher beings. So it's been interesting to watch unfold.
Bloomberg says he is not ruling out the unknown, but believes it is more than likely someone who has pulled off a very sophisticated prank.